Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're tackling a word that's essential for travel planning but often mispronounced. Itinerary. So, how do you say it? Here's the correct pronunciation. I-tin-a-re-e. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is I, like the word I. Next is tin, like a tin can. Then a short, relaxed sound. Followed by rare, which sounds like rare, but shorter. And finally, E, like the letter E. Now say it with me. I-tin-a-re-e. One more time. I-tin-a-re-e. Great job. So, what does itinerary mean? It's a detailed plan or schedule for a trip. It tells you where you'll go, when, and what you'll do. For example, I sent you the itinerary for our vacation. Or, the tour guide gave us a detailed itinerary for the day. Did you know? The word itinerary comes from Latin itinerarium, meaning a journey or route. That's why we also use it for planned and routes, whether for travel, business, or even events. Here's a quick spelling tip. It's spelled I-T-I-N-E-R-A-R-Y. Be careful not to miss a letter. It's longer than it looks. Now that you know how to pronounce it, you can use itinerary confidently, whether you're planning a vacation or organizing a big trip. Thanks for joining me today on Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might need help with their pronunciation. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.